Dicombeka, the most poisonous plant we have on Earth.
With my calculations, Billy Bob, I would say that the Dicombeka could take anyone out for at least 10 minutes, up to 4 whole hours.
Awesome.
Yeah?
What was that, Edwin? What are you saying over there? Edwin?
Nothing, Teets.
Alright, let us continue with the Dicombeka. Now, the
I can
specimen
drink this.
I knew it! I win.
Now that's the Dicombeka. Now the calcium phosphates.
That's the Dicombeka for you. Well, I guess I was right. Huh. I knew things should have listened to me. Next class, math.
Class dismissed.